Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. No scratches here, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the back of the car. The trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all, and the back bumper is in good condition as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Okay, I do not see any scratches on this quarter panel at all. Everything looks spotless, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door are in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect as well, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. The seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear at all here. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front passenger seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel is in excellent condition as well. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all there. Let's move on to the back seat. Okay, everything here looks spotless. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also, backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear. Perfect. Everything looks good there. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere here at all. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And now the front trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions,